3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage dock size on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. For the unfamiliar, the dock on your Mac houses the application you pin there and those you have launched. That's not to mention that it could also display recently used apps, including web apps, if you want it to. You can simply head to macOS settings and make the required change to your Mac dock. So, how to resize the dock on your MacBook? It's so simple. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. As you can see in here first on my dock, here's the current size. Now you can just go to dock and menu bar. From here, you can just scroll down and here on the menu on the dock and menu bar section, there is a dock size options. You can just, if you want to make it larger, you can adjust it, slide right. But if you want to make it smaller, you can just slide left like this. You can see the difference. It's getting smaller. So here's where you can manage the dock size on your MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to manage dock size on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.